In this number series, different examples will be given. See once here, sometimes they will give different series, between the numbers difference will be given, between the numbers product will be given, sometimes they will give squares, cube series also will be given sometimes. Sometimes they will give alternate numbers will be given. Different types of series will be given. Now see, we can start one example and you can understand that what is number series. Number series means a series of numbers will be given. Suppose they given 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and what is the next one? Yes my students, right? What is the next question answer here? So a series of numbers given in a particular order, particular pattern, particular logic. What is the next one here is asking. Yes my students, right? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 question mark is given. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and question mark is given. Yes my students, right? So 2, 3, 5, 7. Do you know the prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31 and so on. These are the prime numbers. A series of prime numbers is given. What is the next one is they are asking. So what is the next one? 17. So a series of numbers with a logic or a pattern will be given. You need to find out what question mark you will get. Here the question mark given at last. Answer is 17. Yes my students. A series of numbers will be given with a certain particular pattern or logic. So here you are getting 17. These are the prime number series. Prime number series you need to get 17. Yes, one more example I will give. So what is number series means? A series of numbers will be given in a particular order or a particular pattern with a logic. Yes, you need to find out the logic and where the question mark is given that you fill it. Yes, one more example I will give. Right? One more example. Yes, my students, right? 23. Yes, my students, right? 23. 57. 113. 1719. So what is the next one here? What is the next one? What logic you will find out here? See once here. 23, 57, 11, 113, 1719. What question mark you will get? If you want, I will give options to you. Options are 1921 is the first option and second option is here 2321 and the third option is given here 2329 and the fourth option is 2931. So what question mark you will get here? A series of numbers given here with a particular logic or pattern, a rule. Okay. Sometimes they will give prime numbers, sometimes they will give squares, sometimes they will give cubes. Yes my students, what answer you will get? Let me know what answer you will get here. Yes my students, right? Very good. Yes. Yes my students, right? What is the answer for this question? Yes. Yes, very good. Yes my students, right? What is the next question answer? A series of numbers is given. 2, 3, 5, 7, 1113, 1719. What you will get here? The next one here. Yes my students, right? Yes. What option you will get as answer? A small logic will be there. A different pattern will be there. You need to find out with your beautiful brain. You need to find out what logic is given. Yes my students. What is the answer for this question, right? See once here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61 and so on. All these are prime numbers. Say successive prime numbers. A pair of successive prime numbers is taken as 1, 2 and 3. Another one, a pair of successive prime numbers taken as 57, the next number. Pair of successive prime numbers 11 and 13 is taken here. pair of successive prime numbers 17 and 19. So next you will get 23 and 29. 23 and 29. Option number 3. A pair of prime numbers, successive prime numbers taken as a group. 2 after 3 successive prime number, 2, 3 is taken as one term, 5, 7 as another term, 11, 13 as one more term, 17, 19 as one more term, 23, 29 you will get the next question, right? Yes, my students, right? So answer is 23, 29. Yes, very good. Yes, my student, did you understand? A series of numbers will be given with a particular logic or pattern or a rule. You need to find out the rule and you need to fill the question mark here. Answer is here 23, 29. Yes, my students, this is our Prasad, our reasoning trainer. Yes, my students, right? Now one more example I will give. One more example I will give, right? One more example. Yes, did you understand all of you, right? Yes, my students, right? Somebody is asking once again explanation. See once here. The first term 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37 and so on prime numbers. The first 2 terms of prime numbers taken as one term. The next 2 terms successive numbers as 5, 7 as one term. The next one 11, 13 as another term. And the fourth one as 17, 19 as one more term. So this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, last term. So 23, 23 and 29. Yes, my students, my voice is clear, not clear? Right. One more example. How clever I will check once, right? One more example. Yes. Yes, my students, right? What is the question mark here? Yes, my students, right? So what you will get here? 11, 31, 71, 91, 32, 92. What you will get next one here? Yes, my students, right? So what is the next one? Yes, my students, right? What is the next one? What pattern is given here? What pattern is given? Yes, some buzzing sound is coming, right? Yes, very good. Yes, here it is clear, but yes, some sound is coming, right? 11, 31, 71, 91, 32, 92, question mark is given there. What you will get the question mark place here? Think once. Yes. Yes, my students, right? Yes. This is the third example today. What you will get as in the place of question mark? What rule is given here? What pattern you need to follow? Yes, what rule you need to follow here? Yes, my students, 11, 31, 71, 91, so 32, 92, what you will get next one? Yes. Yes, if you take the prime numbers here, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 and so on are the prime numbers here. Say first prime number, if we reverse it, if we reverse the prime numbers, you will get 11. The second prime number, if we reverse, 31. The third prime number, 17, if we reverse, 71. Fourth prime number, 91. So fifth prime number, 32. So next one, 92. So next you will get 31. So you need to reverse it, means 13. 1, 3 you need to get. 13. The prime numbers given in reverse manner. Yes, my students, right? Oh, one more example I'll give. One more example I'll give. Yes, we did now prime numbers reverse. Yes, my students, right? So one more example I'll give. One more example I'll give. One more example I'll give. Yes, I think all of you understood, right? So we did here prime numbers are reversed. 11 reverse 11 only. 13 reverse 31. 17 reverse 31, 19 reverse 91, 23 reverse 32, 29 reverse 92 and 31 reverse 13. Yes, my students, right? I think all of you understood, right? 13 is the answer in the place of question mark, right? Now one more example I'll give. One more example I'll give, right? Yes, I will check once how you will give the answer, right? 5 is given the first one, 5. Yes, my students, right? 5. First one 5. The second one is 8. The second one is 8. Yes, my students, 5. 5. The second one is 8. The third one is 12. The third one is 12. Yes, my student, the third one is 12. And the fourth one is, 18. And the next one is 24. So what is the next one? 5, 8, 12, 18, 24. What is the in the place of question mark? Yes, we are doing on prime numbers only. All questions we are doing on prime numbers. Keep that in mind. Every question we are getting on prime numbers. Yes. What is the next question answer? Next means what is the next number in the place of question mark? 5. Yes, my students, right? Very good. We are discussing on prime numbers only. The questions we are discussing on prime numbers. The questions we are discussing on prime numbers. Number series. The questions all are now we are discussing on prime numbers. Say prime numbers I am writing. 2 is the prime number. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. Yes, my students, I think all of you got it, right? So the first one is given as 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. The second one is given 3 plus 5 is 8. And the third one is given 5 plus 7 is 12. And the fourth one is 7 plus 11, 18. And the next one 11 plus 13, 24. So what you will get next one? 13 plus 17, that is 30. 30 in the place of question mark, you will get 30. Yes, my students, I think all of you understood, right? Yes. Prime numbers is taken one by adding 2 pair of prime numbers added and given. The next pair continues with the second one, 3 plus 5. The next one, 5 plus 7. The next one, 7 plus 11. The next one, 13 plus 17. The next one, if you given, next one is even 17 plus 19 you will get. Yes, my students, right? I think all of you understood, right? Yes, my students, 5, 18, 9, 12. Still any more way anybody got here? Any more way anybody got by adding or subtracting? Yes. Yes. So many ways between the numbers, the relations more will be there by adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, square, square root, primes. Yes, anybody got any other model? You can express your views because this is reasoning. Yes, you can take your own way to answer, but a particular pattern should be there. The rule should be there from first to last, same rule. Here, what is the rule? Adding these two numbers, the same continuation is going on. If anybody got any other method, you can express. Yes, my students, right? Right. One more example I'll give. Right. Yes, my students, one more example. Right. Now see. So first number is 3. The next number is 8. Next number is 8. Yes, my students, right? The next number is 24. The next number is 24. The next number is 48. Yes, my students. What is the next number? What is the next number is here? 3, 8, 24, 48, 120 and what is the next number? Yes, my students, right? A series is given in a particular order. You need to find out the logic here or rule here or pattern here. What you will get in the next number? Yes, my students, right? Very good. Yes. What is the next one answer? Yes. What is the next number? Any one of you? What is the rule here? Yes. What is the pattern here? Yes, my students, right? See once here. What is the next one means here? 3. This is 2 square. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, all these are prime numbers. If we take 2 square minus 1, prime square minus 1 is 3. 2 square minus 1, so 3 square minus 1. We are doing the questions on only prime numbers. So 5 square minus 1, 7 square minus 1, 11 square minus 1. So you will get 13 square minus 1, 13 square minus 1, 168. Prime square minus 1, prime square minus 1 is the process, is the rule, is the pattern. What he followed means prime square minus 1, prime number square minus 1. Yes, my students, right? Yes, my students, one more example is given here. Once you see one more example, right? Yes, very good. I am rubbing the question. One more example I will give, right? One more example. One more example is given here. 121, 49, 121, 169, 169, 289, 361. What is the next one here? If you want, I will give options to you, right? So options are here. 529, first option, 529. Second option is 441. Second option, 441. And third option, 484. Third option, 484. And fourth option, 576. Yes, my students, right? So what you will get in the place of question mark here? Yes, a series of numbers is given. We are doing the questions on only prime numbers. Keep that in your mind. We are doing the questions on prime numbers only. Number series in that topic. We are doing the questions on number series only on prime numbers. Keep that in your mind. Every question you are getting on prime numbers only. Yes, I think all of you got all prime numbers. Yes, 2 is the first prime number. Below 100 only. Below 100. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79. Yes, wait. Yes. Next one, 83, 89. Below 100 prime numbers only you are doing. Yes. 97. Next one, right? Yes. '97. We are doing the questions on only prime numbers below 100. Yes, all these are prime numbers. What is a prime number? Prime number means if you take any prime number, if you take 2, 2 ones are 2, that's all. There is no other factor will be there. If you take 3, 3 ones are 3, there is no other factor will be there. So such numbers will be called prime numbers. One and itself will have the factors for the prime number. There is no other factors. Yes, right. Now see, the question is given here. 49, 121, 169, 289, 361, and what is the next question mark? Yes, the questions we are doing on only prime numbers. Yes, all the questions what we discussed today, I given on only prime numbers. Yes, right? Every model of prime number we are discussing now. Maximum questions in exams also they will give on prime numbers, because you know the difference very well. You know the multiplication also very well. You won't get sudden idea about prime numbers. That's why maximum they will give on prime numbers. Now we are discussing the questions, number series topic, discussing the questions on prime numbers. Yes, my students, right? Very good. Now, so what is the question mark place here? The question mark here, this is 7 square. 7 is a prime number. So this is 11 square. 7 after prime number 11. So 11 after prime number 13 square. So this is 13 after is 17, 17 square, 17 after is 19, 19 square, 19 after is 23. So you will get here 23 square. So what is the 23 square means? 529. First option. Somebody written it was 441. No, 441 means, somebody written 441 means 21 square. 21 is not a prime number, gentlemen or gentle lady. We are discussing on only prime numbers. 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 19 also prime number, but 21 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. Why it is a composite number means 1 21 is 21, 3 7 is 21. This 21 is having more than 2 factors, so it is not a prime number. Prime numbers means 1 and itself. Suppose if we take 23, 1 and 23, there is no other factors at all. So this is a prime number, this is not a prime number. So 23 square, somebody written 441. Yes, gentlemen and gentle ladies, 21 is not a prime number. Yes, 23, 529. One more example I will give, right? One more example I will give, right? Yes, one more example. 6. The first number is 6. The second number is 15. The second number is 15. The third number is 35. The third number is 35. The third number is 35. And the fourth one is 77. The fourth one is 77. And the fifth one is 143. And what you will get in the place of question mark? Yes. Yes, let me know what answer you will get. We are doing the questions on only prime numbers. Keep the prime numbers in your mind. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67. Yes, my students, right? 71, 73, 79. All these are prime numbers below 100. We are doing the questions on only prime numbers. Yes. Now let me know. Yes, what answer you will get here? Yes, let me check your messages. What answer you will get here? Yes, my students, right? Very good. Yes, many of you already written answer. Very good, very good. Yes, yes, my students, right? Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Somebody written 221, somebody written 323. 2 answers I got right. We can check once, right? We can check once, right? Yes, very good. Yes. One more. So yeah, 2 is the first prime number, 3, next prime number 5, next one 7, next one 11, next one 13, next one 17, next one 19 and so on. These are the prime numbers. So what the series is given here? 2, 3, 6. Next one 3 5s 15, 5 7s 35, 7 11s 77, 11 13s 143, 13 17s you need to get 13 into 17. Whatever the product you will get, that is the answer here. 13 17s. 13 17s, right? Very good. Yes, it's very clear here, yes, very clear. 2 3s here, very clear. 3 5s, so 5 7s. So the 3 is continuing here, the 5 is continuing here. So 7 will continue, 7 11s. So 11 will continue, 11 13s. So 13 will continue, 13. The next number is 17, 13 17s. Yes, yes, my students, right? We are doing the questions on only prime numbers. One more example, right? One more example is here. One more example. I think all of you got very clearly about prime numbers. Right now, see, we are discussing on only prime numbers, number series. We are discussing the topic number series. Number series. Now we did more than 5 or 7 examples here. Number series. So numbers will be given with a series manner. Somewhere in the middle or at last they will give a question mark. That is called number series. A logic will be there between the numbers, or particular pattern will be there. particular pattern will be there, or difference will be there between the numbers. Difference we can take, difference between the numbers we can take, equal manner we can take, increasing order we can take, decreasing order also we can take. Like that, difference series will get, product series will get, squares and cubes will get, prime numbers will get, binary operation will get, multiples will get, factors will get, yes, square roots will get, different patterns will be there. You need to find out logic between the numbers and you need to go for the answer. Answer will be there in the question itself. Number series topic we are doing. So today we discussed about all prime numbers. Yes. So what are the prime numbers here? 2 is the first prime number, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 40, 47. Next one, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71. Yes, my students, right? Next one is the prime number of 73, 79, 81, 83, 89, yes, 97. So how many prime numbers are there? Below 100, 25 prime numbers are there. So by using all these prime numbers, we did some examples now. Now one more example I will give, right? One more example I will write, right? Once you see 5, first number is 5, yes. Second number is 10, one more example I am writing. Second number is 10. Third number is 26. 26, and fourth number is 50, and fourth number is 50, and the fifth number is 122, fifth number is 122, and the next number is 170, and what is the next number here? Yes, my students, right? So what you will get in the place of question mark here? We are doing the questions on only prime numbers. Yes, my students, right? Yes, I think all of you understood what are the prime numbers. Prime numbers means if you take 2 into 1 only 2 factors will be there. If you take 13 into 1, that's all. No more factors, only 2 factors, 1 and itself. 17, 1 and 17, those numbers only will be called prime numbers. Yes, now what is the answer for the next one? Yes, 2 square plus 1. 2 is a prime number, 2 square plus 1. 3 is a prime number, 3 square plus 1. 5 is a prime number, 5 square plus 1. Yes. 7 is a prime number, 7 square plus 1. So 11 is a prime number, 11 square plus 1. So 13 is a prime number, 13 square plus 1. So prime number square plus 1 we are getting. So prime square plus 1, prime square plus 1, prime square plus 1. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. The next prime is 17. 17 square plus 1. So 17 square means you will get 289. So plus 1 means 290. Yes, many of you written 290. Very good, very good. 290. Prime square plus 1. The pattern is here. Prime square plus 1. Yes, my students, right. Very good. Very good. Prime square plus 1. Yes, Ashmita. Yes, Ashmita. Yes, 289, not 289 plus 1. Yes, we are doing here prime square plus 1. 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 And prime square plus 1. 289 plus 1. 290. So we did all the models. Many models are there. Still many models are there on prime numbers. We are doing the models on only prime numbers. Yes, my students, right? Yes. I think all of you got up to 100 all prime numbers. What is the first prime number? 2. Second one 3. Third one 4. 5. Fourth one 7. So the prime numbers are here. I think all of you got it, I think, right? Yes, no need to by heart the prime numbers. If you do many sums on prime numbers, automatically the numbers will be there in your mind. The first one is 2, the second one is 3, the third one 5, fourth one 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Yes, many times if you write this one, automatically the numbers will be there in your mind. Yes, my friends, right. So, one more example I will give, right. Now see, one more example. 4, 6, 4, 6. Yes, my friends, right. 6, 3. 4 becomes as 6, 6 becomes now 3. Now 3 becomes 8. 3 becomes 8. Now 8 becomes, yes, my friends, right. 8 becomes 1. 8 becomes 1. Now this 1 becomes 12. This 1 becomes 12. Then what is the next number? We are doing the questions on only prime numbers, exclusively questions on prime numbers. Use the prime numbers only to get the answer. All the questions what we discussed today belongs to only prime numbers. So what is the next one is here? Yes. Yes, my students, right? Yes, we are discussing on only prime numbers. Yes. Now see, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 3. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. So, one prime number added, other prime number subtracted. Plus 5, another prime number is added. So, this is plus, this is minus, this one is plus. One more, next one you will get minus. Minus 7. Plus 2, minus 3, plus 5, minus 7, plus 11. Now, you have to do minus 13. Means minus 1 is the answer for this one. Adding the prime numbers alternately with plus and minus signs. Adding the prime numbers alternately with plus and minus signs. Yes, we are doing the questions on only prime numbers. Keep that in your mind. Prime number questions are very important in number series. Yes, my students, right? I think all of you got it. Yes, my students, right. Tomorrow you can meet. Tomorrow once again we can meet with beautiful questions on this number series topic. Thank you all of you.